Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. Sports films have always been an important part of movie history. During the silent film era, movies such as Charlie Chaplin's The Champion engaged viewers, while in modern times, hits like Remember the Titans and Moneyball have taken up the spotlight. So it's time to look back on the greatest sports and fitness movies of all time.
It's our job to keep you focused on baseball.
Battle of the Sexes. If you want to dive into the world of tennis, 2017's Battle of the Sexes is where it is at. The biographical sports drama takes viewers back to 1973 when Billie Jean King famously competed against Bobby Riggs in the intense titular tennis match. While King has a lot to fight for on the court, she also has a lot to sort out including her sexuality and unequal pay. Riggs has problems of his own, including his legacy that continues to fade.
Wrong. I love women in the bedroom and in the kitchen.
The Color of Money. The Color of Money, based on Walter Tevis' novel of the same name, sees former pool hustler Fast Eddie encouraging a talented young player named Vincent to trick his way to the top. The two form a partnership and practice the art of scamming as they travel through pool halls. However, the pair's different opinions lead them to split up. It's not long before they face each other again, but this time they are meeting as opponents.
Vincent's the best.
Creed 2. The newest film to make this list in this sports drama that continues the Rocky film series. In Creed 2, Adnan Johnson takes on the son of boxer Ivan Drago, who is known for killing his father in a match years ago. With help from Rocky, Adonis prepares for his biggest battle yet. He must channel all his energy into the upcoming fight and overcome the demons of his past.
Wow.
Field of Dreams. This popular 80s sports film made magic by mixing elements of fantasy and drama with the game of baseball. Field of Dreams follows a farmer named Ray who decides to build a baseball diamond in a lone field. While a group of stars players begins to haunt his land, Ray soon discovers that the new diamond has a purpose far greater than these ghosts.
All that once was good.
Girl Fight. Michelle Rodford's drama Girl Fight, about a Brooklyn teenager named Diana who turns her anger into competitiveness. Though Diana struggles to understand those around her, she soon discovers that her passion lies in the boxing ring. Those around her, including her father, might struggle to accept her new addiction, but Diana is not one to back down slowly.
Thank you.
Then that's all you need.
Hoosiers. While Hoosiers also take place in a small town, it tells the story of a basketball team instead of a baseball one. This sports film, which is loosely based on the success of Indiana's Menan's high school team in 1954, follows a failed college coach named Norman Dell who decides to revamp a school basketball team. This is no easy task, however, after stars playing Jimmy Chitwood steps down and well-known alcoholic shooter steps in an assistant coach.
Forget about it.
Rocky. The best sports film of all time is none other than the original film in the Rocky series. This rags to riches drama has part-time working-class boxer Rocky Balboa getting a chance to take on at the heavyweight champion Apollo Creed. Though knocking him out will be no easy task. Rocks work hard to become a boxing contender while also dealing with a new romance.
About 10 years ago, right? 10 years ago.
Sugar. Sports drama Sugar has 19-year-old Dominican Republican man Miguel Sugar Santos hoping to make a name for himself by playing baseball in America. While he ends up making it onto a minor league team in Iowa, he is forced to deal with culture shock and racism that threaten to tear down his big ambitions.
It's our job to keep you focused on baseball.
He's got the best of you. Well, I'd like to see how you handle relief.
The Damned United. The Damned United, adapted from David Peace's novel The Damned UTD, follows Brian Clough's 44-day job as manager of the Leeds United Football Club in 1970s England. As soon as Don Revie steps down from his position, Clough steps up to run the team the way he always wanted to.
You'll never go over my head again.
I don't. Football is a beautiful game.